adult is just waking up, coming up with dinner every single night until you die, until now. My firstborn just turned 18. That means I've had to come up with dinner over 6,000 times, and I was sick of it. Coming up with dinner every night is hard. Remembering to thaw the chicken, plus all the slicing and dicing. Some people love it. I am not one of them. But what else is there? Fast food that is so unhealthy, boxed meals that are so expensive, or frozen pizza. Again, none of this works. I'm an architect builder by trade, and I'm good at it. Like, go to huge conventions in Vegas and win awards for what I design and build. Good at it. But running home from the construction site, covered in sawdust, 10 minutes before I need dinner on the table, made me great at something else. I do it with shelf-stable food, and I call it loaded potato. I wanted to streamline my dinner hack because we're all struggling. All the cookbooks, recipe sites, and cooking channels just make our lives more difficult. We don't need more complicated recipes. We don't have an hour to spend on dinner, and certainly don't have $10 to spend on expensive, healthy delivery meals. But I figured out the hack. Canned and shelf-stable ingredients. I feel like I discovered the light bulb when I realized how much money I could be saving and how many delicious meals I could make from just ingredients straight from my pantry. So I spent the last year fine-tuning my recipes, photographing and filming, and hardest of all, building the website, complete with custom recipes and auto grocery calculator using only canned and shelf-stable ingredients, most with hacks that are ready in 5 to 10 minutes. So you never have to worry about what's for dinner ever again. Why loaded potato? Because I need it, and I'm guessing you need it too. Life is crazy. Be prepared. Loaded potato.